Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by parking and securing the car so you can focus. Make sure the surface and mount are accessible. Use a microfiber cloth to clear dust and identify whether you have a suction, adhesive, or clamp-style Iottie. If the suction feels stuck, warm the area briefly with a hairdryer to loosen adhesive tension. If it's a clamp model, locate the release tabs. These first steps let you work confidently and avoid surface damage when you begin detaching parts. Now focus on freeing the mount. For suction models, lift the small edge tab and press the center to break the vacuum, then peel away slowly while supporting the glass or dash. For adhesive pads, warm the pad for 30 to 60 seconds to soften the glue and use a flat tool to lift one corner while pulling gently at a low angle. For clamp mounts, press the release buttons and collapse the arms before sliding the mount off the ball joint. Steady, controlled force prevents scratches. Finish by cleaning any adhesive or grime so the dash looks good and future mounts stick properly. Use isopropyl alcohol or a dedicated adhesive remover, working gently with a microfiber cloth. For suction cups, wash with warm soapy water and let them air dry completely before reuse. If the mount won't release, repeat gentle heating and lifting steps, or try a stronger solvent in a small spot test. If clips are damaged, replace the mount instead of forcing it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.